Hello friends, she's Rai and she's Radhika, and today we are going to talk about Power Yoga for weight loss. The development of yoga has benefited many people to lose weight in a healthy way. Yoga, when combined with healthy eating habits, not only helps you to tone up your body but also helps you to lose the extra fat and keep your mind healthy. Benefits of Power Yoga. Surya Namaskar is a sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses. It is an excellent exercise for weight loss management. It helps in strengthening the immune system and also maintains the cardiovascular health. What time is best for you? Surya Namaskar is best done at early morning in an empty stomach. Each round consists of 2 sets and each set is composed of 12 yoga poses. Besides providing good health, Surya Namaskar helps us to express our gratitude towards the sun, which helps in sustaining life on this planet. How much do you have to do? For the next 10 days, do 12 rounds of Surya Namaskar. You will be amazed that this simple mantra will help you to stay fit, happy and peaceful throughout the day. For best results, practice it regularly. How to do Surya Namaskar? Step 1. Pranamasana or prayer pose. Stand at the edge of your mat. Keep your feet together and balance your weight equally on both the feet. As you breathe in, lift both arms up from the sides, and as you exhale, bring your palms together in front of the chest in prayer position. Step 2. Hasta Uttanasana or raised arm pose. Breathing in, lift the arms up and back. You push pelvis a little forward. Stretch the whole body from the heels to the tip of the fingers. Step 3. Hasta Padasana or standing forward bend. Breathing out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. As you exhale, bring the hands down to the floor beside the feet. Step 4. Ashwa Sanchalanasana or equestrian pose. Breathing in, push your right leg back as far as possible. Bring the right knee to the floor and look up. Step 5. Dandasana or stick pose. As you breathe in, take the left leg back and bring the whole body in a straight line. Step 6. Ashtanga Namaskar or salute with 8 parts. Gently bring your knees down to the floor and exhale. Take the hips slightly back, slide forward, rest your chest and chin on the floor. Raise your posterior a little bit. The 2 hands, 2 feet, 2 knees, chest and chin, that is 8 parts of body, should touch the floor. Step 7. Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. As you inhale, slide forward and raise the chest up. You may keep your elbows bent. Look up at the ceiling. Step 8. Adho Mukha Savasana or downward facing dog pose. Breathing out, lift the hips and the tailbone up to bring the body into an inverted V pose. Step 9. Ashwa Sanchalan Asana or equestrian pose. Breathing in, bring the right foot forward in between the 2 hands. The left knee goes down on the floor. Press the hips down and look up. Step 10. Hasta Padasana. standing forward bend. Breathing out, bring the left foot forward. Keep the palms on the floor. You may bend the knees if necessary. Step 11. Hasta Uttanasana or raised arm pose. Breathing in, roll the spine up, raise the hands up and bend backward a little bit, pushing the hips slightly outward. Step 12. Tadasana or mountain pose. As you exhale, straighten the body, bring the arms down. Relax in this position for few seconds. This completes one set of Surya Namaskar. Complete the round by repeating the steps. Only this time, start with your left foot behind in step 4 and bring the right foot forward in step 10. Once done, you have completed one round of Surya Namaskar. No matter how busy you are, everyone has 20 minutes. If you are afraid of how you can balance your work life and your health, we guarantee that you can. Just take the first step and start. It's the consistency that will give you your results. Please do like our channel and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and join us to know the health mantra of life.